Hello! Let's get you acquainted with the features within inspectARs AR Scene. Version 2.x streamlined the UI to give users a larger window in which to view the board, so all features are contained within the menu at the top of the screen. From the left, this drop-down menu lets you exit the AR scene and undo your previous action. Next, this tracking indicator tells you when the program has identified your PCB. These two buttons focus the camera. Automatic focus will let the camera refocus automatically, and manual focus will wait for you to click this button. Clicking focus also switches the mode to manual. Prior users may notice that at high zoom levels, the overlays may start to shake. 2.x brings you a new feature we're proud of: image stabilization. The AR stabilization feature has a powerful algorithm that stops the overlays from shaking and puts them back in their place. The only drawback is that there will be some noticeable latency between the movement of the board and the movement of the overlays. Because PCBs can often have small components and complex arrangements, inspectAR has 3 zoom features: stretch, freeze, and camera. Camera zoom is accessed when you scroll the mouse wheel on desktop or tweeze your fingers on mobile. In some situations, using camera zoom will mean that our AR tracking algorithm does not get a large enough picture of the board to apply overlays. In this case, you can either use stretch zoom or freeze zoom to get a closer picture of the board while maintaining AR tracking. The freeze zoom feature freezes the frame, allowing a user to zoom or pan without having to place the circuit board physically beneath the camera. This is ideal for mobile users who need to free up a hand to do some work, or for situations where you need to physically put the board under a different piece of equipment, like if you were using a microscope during assembly. Stretch zoom is identical to freeze zoom, except it works on a live video feed. This is an extremely powerful feature. It allows you to continue zooming if you lose AR tracking due to camera zoom, and is most often used in conjunction with our AR stabilization feature. The Active Overlays window helps you manage the overlays you are seeing on your circuit board. You can hide and delete overlays, change the overlay transparency, and globally change layer colors from this window. The Information window contains 3 tabs and gives you information about the overlays you are seeing. From here, you can dynamically edit an overlay, request part information, view data sheets, and browse connected nets and components. The Add Overlays window is where you can search for anything on your board and refine it with a number of advanced features. Overlays which you add here will appear in the Active Overlays window. You can select multiple overlays at once and either add them as a batch or add them individually. Adding them as a batch will keep your Active Overlays window less crowded. However, you will not be able to individually select them to view in the information pane. To do that, use Add Individually. The Comment feature allows users to attach instructions or notes that can be shared with team members instantly, eliminating the need for third-party programs like MS Paint within the team environment. The Saved State feature allows managers to assign specific areas of the PCB to their team, along with instructions. Or, for example, some users utilize this feature to save their work so they can leave the board and pick up right where they left off when they come back. The Screenshot Markup tool is another communication feature that allows users to directly mark on a picture of the PCB, like a paint program, and saves that picture, which can be shared with anyone the user wishes.